how can you edit 4K videos in the Capcut video editor on iPhone. So let me show you all the important things which are part of that. So if it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you want to have the Capcut app installed. Obviously, just open up the app, start a new project, and import the clips into the timeline. So make sure you are already importing 4K footage. To make sure your videos are indeed in 4K, just every time you are inside of the Photos app, open the video in full screen and swipe up on it, and you'll see the actual resolution of that footage. So that's fine and everything. Just make sure you import it into the Capcut timeline, right? You can perform all of the edits and trimming and all of that. But the most important part is to adjust the export settings, because in the top right corner, you have the export button. Of course, that's what you click when you're done, and the video will be put together and saved in the gallery. But next to it, to the left, we have the button for the export settings, and by default, it is very likely going to be set to 1080p. So you want to slide the resolution slider all the way to the right to the 4K option. The thing that could happen is that it's going to ask you to be a paid subscriber for Capcut services. So it depends on whether you are not already there as well, right? Because if you are already subscribed to the Capcut Premium, it's not going to give you any pop-up. But, if you're not, it will likely ask you to subscribe, because otherwise, I believe you can only export at a 1080p. But the most important part is to make sure that the whole timeline, the whole editing project is going to be exported in 4K. Then you can click on export and the video will be put together in the highest resolution. So that is the only thing that you need to know about it. Obviously, there are more video editors out there, like there is the LumaFusion or even more. So if you need some more information about it, just make sure you subscribe. It's very likely I'll cover more video editors and stuff like that in the future. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos as well.